morning students. Lesson 5 Fun with Paint. Our today's topics are how to save a drawing, how to start a new drawing and how to open an existing drawing in the paint. So children, watch the video and practice it. Children, open your book, page number 57. In the action break, you can see here a drawing of hut. Children, I already drawn here a hut using the line tool, using the brushes, using the color. So you all have to draw this type of hut. See here, I am just brief you again how to draw this hut. Click on this line tool, then color 1, click on color black, and then you can draw here like this lines. You can also change the size of this line. So like this you can draw this type of hut. So children, you all have to complete this drawing with this line tool and color. I have already drawn here. I am only showing you how to draw the hut. Then you can use this brush tool also. This is the calligraphy brush 1. Then select the blue color and then like this you can use this brush. So children, you all have to practice this and draw the hut. Then you can color here. So select the fill color option from here. Then in the color 1 click yellow color and then fill yellow color here. Then you can also draw this again, select black color and then like this you can draw doors and windows like this. Then if you want to do circles in here, so click color 1, then select gray color and then take pencil from here. You can change the size and then like this you can draw circles here. So children, I already drawn here. You all have to complete this drawing. Okay. Then write here hut. Again take the brush, color red and then write here. So like this you all have to complete this drawing first and then now we will see how to save a drawing. If your drawing is completed here, I have already drawn a hut here. So like this you have to complete this drawing. Then how to save a drawing. After creating a drawing, you can save it on your computer. This will help you to view it in the future. You can also make changes in it. So when you save a new drawing for the first time, you will need to give it a name. So for the first time you have to give the name of the drawing. So click here in the file menu, click the paint button. This is the paint button or file menu. Then click in the menu, click the save option. Click the save option. I have already saved first time this drawing and I have already given the name hut. So I am doing this as a save as option. Then you have to select the path, means location of your drawing. I am selecting desktop, and then in the desktop here you have to write the drawing name. I have already named this drawing first time, so I again second time save this as a hut1 and then click on save option. In the file name box type the name of the file here, and then in the save as type you can see here is the drop down menu. So there are many formats of the file, PNG, JPG, there are the different formats of the image format. So select any of from here, JPG, and then click on save button. So your drawing is saved. You can see here the name hut1. Now children, after the saving of this drawing, I want to start a new drawing, means a new blank page. If I want to open a new blank page here, then click on the paint button again or file menu and click on the new option. If you have not saved this picture, your drawing paint will display a message box. The message box asks you if you want to save the drawing or not, then select save or don't save as per your choice, and then it will open a new page. So this is the starting a new drawing page. Now if you want to open an existing drawing, means if I want to open my hut drawing again, then again click on this file menu, then click on the open option. The open dialog box appears. Then my drawing is on the desktop, so I am selecting desktop from here and then select the file, means I want to open this hut1 drawing. So select this file and then click on open. So you can see here this is my drawing. So like this you can save any drawing, then you can start a new drawing, means new blank page, and you can open an existing drawing, means this is my existing drawing and I am open from here. So all the options are in here, new, open and save as. So children, practice this. Now this chapter is over. So in the next session we will learn how to solve exercise. So children, practice this.